In this video, I want to showcase to you the latest addition to Nurie Creator, and that is the book cover generator. So if you're not an elite member, you'll get the non-AI version. If you are an elite member, you get the AI version. So you're greeted with a screen like this that has a cover template on here and our settings on the left. So the first thing we want to do is choose from a variety of KDP preset trim sizes, and that will update our cover template. We can choose the amount of pages that we have, and again, that will adjust it for you so it's the correct size to upload straight onto KDP. After this, we've got an option to set the cover color and to match the front cover color. So I'm going to leave that as it is for now, because the match front cover color feature works really well when we AI generate the cover. So here, and again, it's worth, let's just say we're doing a flower coloring book, and it's worth remembering that the text on the sidebar here, if you're adding it, is AI generated. So it can make mistakes, it can miss things out, but you do have unlimited generation. So you can cycle through to get the result that you want. So I'm going to not do the author, I'm going to type that after, but my title color is red, and then a short description of my cover is flowers, so that's perfect. And then we hit the generate button. Just wait for that process to complete. As you can see, it's done a flower coloring book for me. It's added the text for me in red. And what the match front cover color does is it puts a color on the back cover, basically, that it thinks goes well or matches the front cover. So I've got that there, and say that I'm perfectly happy with that, which if I'm not, it's no problem. I can just hit generate again. So if I just add some text, let's add my name as the author. And then we've got a variety of fonts here. And it snaps into the center easily, like so. And obviously here, we can change the color as well. If we wanted to, we could make that in red as well, just for example. And then once we've got our front cover sorted, what we can do then is add our images. So if you have images in your selection, so when you've been using the software and you click add and then you add them to a list, they will be available here. If not, you can upload an image and upload your own images that you want to include. But a cool feature that we have here is, for example, if I say that I want all four of them, click add, and it will format them into a group like this. All I do is I can resize it, I can snap it to center wherever I like so. Now, again, on here, I could add more text on the bottom if I wanted. I could add, for example, I can add a shape. For example, if I wanted a rectangle there, I can send that backwards to make that in front of the text, like so it stands out a little bit more. Let's resize that a bit more. Let's grab the box, like so. I also have on here the option for AI elements. So this is to create additional elements for your front cover. So say I wanted some more flowers to dot around, I can put in here flowers, and then let's go with 4 elements. And then if we hit generate, and this will then AI generate 4 elements, so that's 1. And then these I can use to further customize my front cover to make it even more unique. Number 2, 2 more to go. There we go. So now they're generated. Say for example, let's get rid of that one, delete on it, and then let's get rid of that one. Then for example, what I can do is if I go to the eraser, I don't want the background, let's get rid. And then I can resize and use that element where I want. And the same here. So again, I can go onto the eraser, magic eraser, delete around, and then I've got another element that I can move around. I can move forward or backwards, and I can put it anywhere I want on the cover, again, to make my cover more unique with these elements. So that's basically it. And then once you're happy, hit the generate PDF button, and then this will allow you to download the PDF ready for upload. So I hope this quick introduction video to the cover generator helps you. Hope you find it useful, and I hope it helps you see how powerful and how quickly and easily you can start to create professional looking book covers. Thank you for watching.